Hello from Slovenia again. I'm kind of in that magic wand place that I pour paints with my split cup. This is my new modular split cup that you can buy on Fluid Art Co. I will put link in the description. It has adjustable chambers from 1 to 6. Today I will use 3. These dividers. With gloves is just hard to take them out because they are slippery. So today I will use 3, and I will use just 3 colors. I'm going for kind of minimalistic classic look with sorry, black and white and gold. So I will use pearl white, not white. This is Vallejo pearl medium mixed with titanium white, and my pouring medium in the right chamber, and I will pour black in the left chamber and gold in the middle. And maybe I will kind of not just go one direction and the other. Maybe I will just try to pour a little like this and like this. We will see what will happen, and maybe I will just add some black here. Oop. Ooh. I have a ton of air bubbles here. I have to torch this because I shake it. Okay. So let's see what will happen. So I will start just with there is not a lot of gold. I will just go kind of a little, you know, on one side and on the other side. Where my gold went. Maybe when I will spin it out, it will show through. We will see. I will wait for these drips to fall off. You know what? I will add just a gold back into the middle. Into my split cup I will just scrape out, and I will add just a little bit of white and a little bit of black on those two chambers, and maybe this will give us some gold accents. Still not a lot. Really weird. Oop. Gold, just gold. Okay. I see some gold, so to spin a little of this off. put my canvas a little more to that side because I wanted to spin a little more of that off. But now I think that I'm good. I see some gold, but I don't know. One more spin. A little more of this off, because I like this part with where is more black more. I will leave it now. I was expecting a little different result. Maybe I should do the middle chamber bigger and the black and white smaller. Yeah. I will do that next time because I want to see, because really like some parts, but let me take you down for a close. Okay, you see there is a little bit of gold where this is the pour from the cup, and this is where I just added gold on the stick. And I'm kind of not fan of this part, but this black with pearl white and some gold shimmer here and there, it's just beautiful. It's kind of ethereal. I see somebody here. What do you think? Should I try with bigger chamber in the middle with gold and black and pearl white like I did this time? Because there is so many amazing details in there. Yeah, I will do that next time, definitely. So this was it for today. If it will be dry till I will publish this video, I will show you the dried result. Otherwise, happy holidays and see you on the next one. Bye. So here is a close-up. Yeah, some gold. show up when dry, but still not a lot. I see a lot of weird creatures in here. I don't like this part when I added gold at the end, but I will just show you that one, that I can do another one with bigger gold chamber and less black and pearl white on the outside to see the difference. And a visitor landed here and died, but this time I don't hate it because it's like a bird, so she will live in this painting. Okie doke, so hope that you will have a nice rest of the day and happy holidays. I will publish my regular Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It's like a fantasy world, isn't it? And thanks for being here, and see you on the next one. Bye!